Importation of consolidated cargo. Fast, simple, seamless. Are you an importer of consolidated cargo? Simplify your clearance process with our smart self-service mobile app. Register easily using your KESRA PIN and verified contact details. Our system ensures secure access and smooth transactions. The main menu displays a list of your consignments as submitted by your consolidator. Tap on a consignment reference number to view its details. Verify the information in the general and item segments, including the description, value, and quantity of imported goods. You can also submit invoices, packing lists, and other required documents directly through the app by attaching documents. Let the app handle tax computations automatically. Generate an e-slip and make real-time payments via mobile money or bank transfer. The app is integrated with the ICMS, that is the Integrated Customs Management System. Customs officers can validate and approve declarations efficiently, reducing clearance time. Track your clearance status in real time and receive digital release documents instantly. With fast processing and seamless payments, your cargo is cleared quickly and seamlessly. Download the app today and take control of your imports. Fast, simple, seamless.